Spring is the season when style can suddenly start looking a little off. The black feels too heavy, the coat feels too wintry, the shoes feel too bulky, but looking fresher does not mean starting over. Sometimes it is just one smart swap at a time. Here are 12 spring style changes that can make your outfits look lighter, softer, and far more polished over 50. Hack number 1, replace head to toe black with soft light neutrals. One of the fastest ways to make your spring wardrobe look lighter is to stop wearing black from top to bottom every time you want to look polished. Black is classic, yes, but in spring it can start to feel too dense, too stark, and a little too wintry, especially near the face. As the light changes, softer colours tend to do your skin far more favours. Cream, ivory, stone, oatmeal, soft white, and pale taupe reflect light better and make the whole outfit feel fresher without trying too hard. This does not mean giving up dark colours forever. It just means breaking them up. A black trouser can still work beautifully if you pair it with a soft cream shirt. A dark skirt can look much more current with a light knit instead of another dark layer on top. Even switching from a black top to an ivory one can make your whole outfit feel more expensive. This is also an easy fix if you tend to default to black because it feels safe. Light neutrals can be just as easy to wear once you stay in the same soft family. The outfit still feels calm and pulled together, but not heavy. A good example is a relaxed soft white shirt like the EVERLANE boyfriend shirt, or a fine light knit like the Banana Republic cotton silk sweater. Both fit this idea well, and I linked options in the description. The goal is simple: keep the elegance, lose the visual heaviness, and let spring show up in the outfit. Hack number 2. Swap boxy jackets for structured blazers. A lot of women keep wearing boxy jackets because they feel easy. They are easy. That is the problem. Easy can quickly turn into shapeless, and shapeless can make even a good outfit look dull. In spring, when fabrics get lighter and outfits get simpler, shape matters more. A structured blazer brings that shape back without making you look stiff or overdone. This is not about dressing like you are heading into a board meeting. It is about giving the body a clearer line. A blazer with some structure at the shoulder and a clean cut through the waist instantly sharpens jeans, trousers, a knit dress, or even a plain t-shirt. It creates polish in seconds. That is why this swap works so well. Boxy jackets often stop at the wrong place, add width where you do not need it, and make the whole outfit feel flat. A structured blazer does the opposite. It frames the torso, gives balance to wider leg pants, and helps simple basics look intentional. It also works better in spring because it layers cleanly without the bulk of heavier outerwear. The easiest way to wear this is to keep the rest of the outfit simple. Straight jeans, a soft knit, loafers, and a blazer already look finished. The same goes for a white shirt, ankle trousers, and clean sneakers. You do not need extra fuss when the shape is doing the work, and once the jacket shape is right, the next piece that can quietly age an outfit is the denim itself. Hack number 3. Trade skinny jeans for straight leg denim. Skinny jeans had a long run because they felt neat, familiar, and easy to style. But in spring, they can start to make an outfit feel dated and a little too tight, especially when you are pairing them with loafers, flats, trenches, or blazers. Straight leg denim is a much easier shape now. It feels cleaner, more modern, and far more balanced with the pieces most women actually wear in spring. The biggest advantage is proportion. Straight leg jeans give a little space through the leg, so the outfit breathes more. That one change makes shoes look better, jackets sit better, and the whole silhouette feel less forced. You are not squeezing everything into one narrow line. You are giving the outfit room to move. This is especially useful if you feel like your spring outfits look fine on the hanger, but slightly off once you put them on. Often the problem is not the shirt or the jacket, it is the denim shape. Straight leg jeans create a calmer foundation. They work with blazers, button-downs, light knits, and trenches without fighting any of them. They also tend to be kinder visually. A straight leg skims instead of clings. It looks more relaxed, but still polished. That is a strong combination over 50 because it feels current without trying to dress too young. You do not need anything extreme here. Just look for a clean, straight fit that falls naturally from hip to ankle. And once the denim line gets lighter and easier, the next thing that can weigh down the whole outfit is the shoe. Hack number 4. Replace bulky walking shoes with clean leather sneakers. A lot of spring outfits fall apart at the last second because of the shoe. The shirt looks good, the jeans fit better, the blazer adds shape. Then a bulky walking shoe comes in and drags the whole look back down. Comfort matters, of course, but comfort and polish do not have to fight each other. A cleaner sneaker gives you both. What makes some walking shoes age an outfit is not the fact that they are practical. It is the visual weight, thick soles, heavy panels, too many design lines, and that obvious athletic shape can make the outfit feel clunky even when everything else looks refined. In spring, when clothes get lighter and fabrics get softer, that heaviness stands out even more. A sleek leather sneaker, or even a cleaner, sport-inspired sneaker, keeps the ease but removes that orthopedic effect. It works better with straight-leg jeans, ankle trousers, shirt dresses, and even a trench. The outfit still feels realistic for daily life, but it looks more current and much more intentional. This is also one of the easiest updates if you walk a lot and do not want to move straight into loafers or flats every day. You do not need a delicate shoe, you just need one that looks calmer, less bulk, less fuss, cleaner shape. Think of the shoe as the finishing line under the outfit. When it looks lighter, everything above it looks lighter too. And once the footwear stops weighing the outfit down, the next thing to look at is outerwear, because heavy coats can keep spring outfits stuck in the wrong season. Hack number 5. Switch heavy winter coats to a lightweight trench. One reason spring outfits can feel a little off is that the main layer still belongs to winter. You can wear a lighter knit, cleaner jeans and softer shoes, but if you throw on a thick wool coat at the end, the whole look still feels cold weather heavy. This is where a lightweight trench makes such a difference. It shifts the entire mood of the outfit in seconds. A trench has structure, but it also has movement. That is what makes it so useful in spring. It gives you coverage without the stiffness or weight of a winter coat. It looks polished without trying too hard, and it works with almost everything women tend to wear this time of year, from denim and knits to dresses and flats. Another reason this piece works so well is that it helps simple outfits look more finished. A plain white shirt and jeans can feel basic on their own. Add a trench and the outfit suddenly looks intentional. The same thing happens with a knit dress or a straight leg pant and sneaker combination. The trench pulls it together. This is also one of those pieces that can make mature style look more elegant very quickly. It lengthens the line, cleans up the silhouette, and adds just enough presence without feeling dramatic. If you want one easy example, a simple trench like the Linden trench works perfectly for this kind of spring layer, and I linked one in the description. Once the outer layer gets lighter, the next smart move is adding something small near the face, because that can brighten the whole outfit faster than people realize. Hack number 6. Use a silk scarf to brighten the face instantly. Some style changes are major, and some are tiny but surprisingly powerful. A silk scarf falls into the second category. It is one of the easiest ways to make spring outfits feel fresher without buying a whole new wardrobe. More importantly, it adds light and colour close to the face, which can make everything look more awake and more polished. This works especially well if you wear a lot of neutrals and do not love bright clothing. A scarf gives you that bit of life without asking you to commit to a colourful jacket or top. It can soften a blazer, wake up a plain knit, or make a simple shirt look finished. It is a small detail, but it changes the message of the outfit. The other reason this trick works so well over 50 is that it looks elegant without feeling fussy. You are not piling on accessories. You are just adding one thoughtful piece in the right place. That can be enough to make a very simple outfit look intentional. And there are different ways to wear it too. Tied softly at the neck, looped onto a bag handle, or even used in the hair, a scarf adds that touch of spring energy without much effort. The key is choosing one with softness in the colour so it brightens rather than overwhelms. It also helps bridge the gap between practical and polished. On days when the outfit feels plain, this is often the piece that finishes it. Now that colour near the face is doing more work, the next chapter moves into knitwear because thick winter sweaters can quietly undo that lighter spring feeling. Hack number 7. Choose fine gauge knits instead of thick, chunky sweaters. Chunky sweaters have their place, but once spring arrives, they can start making an outfit look too heavy, too cozy, and a little out of sync with the season. Even when the colour is right, the thickness can still weigh everything down. Fine gauge knits solve that problem fast. They keep the softness and comfort, but they do it in a way that looks cleaner, lighter, and much more polished. This matters because spring dressing is usually about balance. You still want some warmth, but you do not want the outfit to feel padded or bulky. Thick knits can bunch under blazers, fight with trenches, and make the top half of the body look visually dense. A fine gauge knit slips into an outfit much more easily. It layers better, falls better, and gives the whole look a smoother line. It is also one of the easiest ways to look elegant without adding effort. A lightweight knit with straight leg jeans, loafers, and a trench already feels refined. The same goes for a fine knit tucked lightly into trousers or worn over a shirt dress. It does not need much help because the fabric itself already looks more finished. This is especially helpful if you like simple clothes and want them to feel elevated. When the knit is lighter, the whole outfit reads as more intentional. A soft zip-up, like the Enzo Cashmere sweater, is a good example of this kind of piece. It feels easy, but it still looks polished. The point is not to give up comfort. It is to keep comfort while taking away the visual heaviness that winter sweaters can leave behind. Hack number 8. Swap clunky boots for loafers or refined flats. Spring style gets lighter from the ground up, and that is why boots can start feeling like too much once the season shifts. Even good boots can look heavy when everything else in the outfit is getting softer and cleaner. A loafer or refined flat changes that balance immediately. It keeps the outfit grounded, but it does not drag it down. The issue is usually not the boot itself, it is the weight it adds to the whole silhouette. Thick soles, heavy shapes, and dark leather at the bottom can make jeans look shorter, dresses look denser, and lighter spring layers feel less fresh. A loafer or polished flat gives you that same practicality in a much cleaner way. This swap also makes outfits feel more current. Straight leg denim with a loafer looks sharper than the same denim with a bulky boot. A shirt dress with a flat feels lighter and more natural. Trousers with a sleek flat or loafer look relaxed but still put together. The outfit starts making more sense for the season. Another benefit is that these shoes tend to work with more of your wardrobe once the weather warms up. You can wear them with denim, dresses, cropped trousers, and soft tailoring without the outfit feeling confused. That kind of versatility matters because spring style should feel easier, not harder. You do not need anything overly delicate. The goal is not fragility, it is polish. A simple leather loafer with clean lines often does more for an outfit than a heavier shoe ever could. Once the shoes get lighter, the next thing that can bring shape back into spring layers is something very small but very effective. Hack number 9. Add a belt to relaxed spring layers. Spring clothes are often softer, looser, and easier by design, which is part of their appeal. But when every layer is relaxed, an outfit can start to lose shape very quickly. That is where a belt comes in. Not as a tight, stiff styling trick, but as a small way to give the outfit a clearer line. This is especially useful with spring layers like shirt dresses, lightweight trenches, softer trousers, and easy blouses. Without any shape, those pieces can start to look a little floaty or unfinished. Add a belt and suddenly the outfit feels more intentional. The body has definition again, and the eye knows where to land. The key is not to overdo it. You do not need a harsh contrast belt or an overly wide statement piece. Usually, a simple belt in a soft, neutral, or classic leather tone works best. It should look like part of the outfit, not like something fighting against it. The goal is gentle structure, not stiffness. This hack also helps if you feel like spring outfits sometimes make you look wider or less polished than you expected. Often it is not the clothes themselves, it is just the lack of visual shape. A belt can fix that in seconds. A clean option like the mango oval buckle belt works well because it gives structure without feeling severe. When lighter fabrics and easier layers are balanced with just enough shape, the whole outfit starts to feel calmer, smarter, and much more pulled together. Hack number 10. Wear shirt dresses that skim, not cling. A shirt dress is one of the easiest spring pieces a woman over 50 can wear because it solves a lot of problems at once. It looks neat, it feels easy, and it gives you a full outfit without needing much styling. But the cut matters a lot. If it clings, pulls, or fits too narrowly through the middle, it stops looking elegant and starts looking uncomfortable. The best shirt dresses skim the body instead. That word matters. Skim means the fabric moves with you without grabbing every line. It gives shape, but it does not force it. That is what makes a shirt dress feel polished rather than stiff. In spring, that kind of ease looks especially right. The other advantage is simplicity. A good shirt dress works with loafers, flats, sneakers, or a light trench. It can be worn loose, softly belted, or slightly open at the neck for a more relaxed look. You do not need to over-accessorize it because the structure is already built in. The dress is doing the work for you. If you have avoided shirt dresses in the past, it may be because you tried versions that were too tight, too thin, or too fussy. The right one feels calm and wearable. That is the difference. A piece like the summer bouquet shirt dress fits that idea well because it keeps the shape easy rather than clingy. Hack number 11. Shorten the top layer slightly to define the leg line. This is a small styling trick, but it can change the whole outfit. When the top layer is just a little shorter, the legs look longer and the body looks more balanced. That matters a lot in spring, when layers get lighter and proportions become easier to notice. Long tops are not always wrong, but they can sometimes cut the body at an awkward spot and make the outfit feel heavy or shapeless. A slightly shorter cardigan, jacket, or knit often fixes that immediately. It gives the waist area a clearer line and helps trousers, jeans, and skirts look more intentional. This is especially useful if you wear relaxed bottoms. A shorter top layer keeps the silhouette from looking too long and loose all over. It adds structure without making the outfit feel rigid. That is why cropped cardigans work so well in spring. They lighten the outfit while also cleaning up the proportion. Hack number 12. Build tonal outfits instead of high contrast outfits. One of the quickest ways to make spring style look more elegant is to stop fighting the outfit with strong contrast. Black and white can be striking, but soft tonal dressing often looks richer, calmer, and more polished. Cream with stone, taupe with white, navy with pale blue. Those combinations feel expensive because the colours move together instead of competing. This also makes getting dressed easier. When the shades belong to the same family, the outfit already feels more cohesive. You do not need bold details to make it work. The harmony is what makes it look finished. Tonal dressing is especially flattering in spring because it supports that lighter, softer mood the season naturally brings. It feels polished without trying hard, which is exactly the point of all these swaps. If even a few of these swaps gave you ideas, you'll find a few pieces linked in the description to make the update easier. If you enjoyed this, like the video, subscribe for more style tips, and watch the next video on screen now for more ways to look polished, modern, and put together.